Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Addict channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually find Windows 10 product key. It can be a challenging thing to actually find your Windows key. So today I'm going to show you 3 methods through which you can actually find your Windows key. So let's get started. In the first method, you need to right click on your Windows icon. After it, now you need to go to Windows PowerShell Admin. Just click on Windows PowerShell Admin. For CMD users, you can actually use command prompt admin, okay? In Windows 10, you're usually going to find PowerShell. Now you need to add a command like this. This is a pretty long command. You can find this in the description. You just need to copy it and paste it in your command prompt, okay? Or in your PowerShell. Hit enter. You will see your Windows key, okay? This is a method which you don't need to actually install any third-party apps, okay? Now for the second method. In the second method, you actually need to run a script called product key. I have already given it in the description. You can download it from there. Store it in your desktop and just run it, okay? Just like this. After running this script, you will find product name, product ID and installed key. The installed key is your Windows key, okay? If the first method doesn't work for you, then this method is surely going to work for you. Now, let's go to the third method. For the third method, just go to your browser and search for product key. Please remember this name, product key. Not product, just produ, okay? I don't know what it's pronounced. Just open this website and click on download links, okay? It's in the down below, so you need to go there. Now click on download product key in zip file. Your browser might going to actually block this. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it. But if in any case somehow you're not able to download it, you need to actually go to your Windows setting, update and security, click on Windows security. After that, virus and threat protection. You will see something like this, okay? You don't need to worry about it. Just go to manage setting and then just turn off real-time protection. Your computer will show this as a threat or maybe as a malware, but it's not, okay? So you can disable it for a few seconds. But make sure you enable that real-time security again, okay? Just find the product where you download it and just open it, okay? Now click on productkey.exe, just like what I'm doing. You can see here, it will show me 3 keys right here. Windows 10 key, okay? The product key is the real key, okay? Not the product ID. So that's it guys, these are the way how you can actually find your Windows 10 key, okay? If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and share this video. I will see you in the next week. See ya.